think he's worn out. He's not really fighting. That's it. Okay. There you go. Oh, yeah. Alright, ready? Let me feel the big stuff in. Ready? Alright, you do it when I say. Okay. Ah! He's attacked. Oh, shoot, he's gonna throw now. Not yet. Wait. Oh! He's gonna throw. Oh! Oh, shoot, oh my god! Don't choke him out like that. Ah! He's attacking the troll like getting thrown by stuffed animals. Oh my god! Ah, it's like a cannonball! Well, they're all flying through the air. Ah, they're flying down. It's trying to stuffed animals. I'm just trying to escape with this troll. Ah, get these stuffed animals out the way. Oh shit, I'm fine. Ah, he's attacking. He's attacking look with this mini troll. Oh, he likes that troll. Yes, he does. Oh, now that was a big thing. It's all fighting to the end. It's the end. Oh my god, Pancho, look out, here comes the pillow. Oh no. Ah, you got him. Oh, not that. Ah, he's fighting it. Oh my god, see what he's saying? Oh my god, you see what happened to this? Ah. Oh my god, he's done this innocent troll. Look what he's done to this innocent troll. And he's been beating it up. Now, it's called Shake Your Booty. Ah, and he's biting his butt. Ah, he's fighting this big old troll. Oh my god, I can't believe he can carry it. Oh my god. I cannot believe he's carrying it. Oh, see, look at his boot. Look at that butt. A booty-o. No, here comes the end part. Ending. You want this to be the ending? Ah, he's fighting. He's fighting. He's fighting a monkey. He's fighting all the stuffed animals that's throwing at him. Ah! Oh, wait, they can fight Justin Bieber. Oh my god, now he's fighting Justin Bieber! Ah! They're fighting! Ah! Wait, let me see. He's fighting Justin Bieber now! Oh my god! Oh, sure. Look what he did to it. He took off Justin Bieber's shirt. Now look at it. See this? See what he did to it? Okay, let's get him fight again. Let's see what else will happen. Oh, he's still fighting it! Oh, you probably guys can't see it, but it's nasty. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look what he did to this Justin Bieber. Look what he did. He killed the Justin Bieber. You see this? You see this?
Justin Booby.
See? He is an evil dog. He must hate Justin Bieber. And now, where's the big one? Ah, the ending is close by. The ending. Ah, where did he go? He's covered with a big ladybug. And now, he's uncovered. This is a wild scene of Pancho the evil dog fighting and being attacked. Now he's typing on his computer.